What it do, what it is, what's good YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a treat while I review Barbu Beard Co, the grower. Stay tuned. And thanks for staying tuned. Today we got the grower from Barbu Beard Co. This is one of my favorite oils that I've been using. And Abraham's the owner, and he's based out of Miami, which is only an hour from where I actually live. And I love to support local companies, and it makes it even better when the owner is great. I had several conversations with Abraham, and he's a great guy with great products. Let me just tell you, I had a little family issue with my grandmother, and we were talking about it. And in the handwritten note that he wrote me when he sent out the products, he asked about my grandmother and hoped everything was great. That's awesome. Handwritten notes are better, but when they remember you from your conversations, that makes the quality of the customer service top notch. 2 thumbs up from Matt. So today we have the grower with essential oils of lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree. That's a great combination. Also, in his products that you get, comes with a nice burlap sack with Barbu logo. That's pretty cool. And I like this sack, and it's nice and sturdy. I've actually used this to travel this to work because sometimes I just like to put a little bit extra in. We all been there. So Barbu, based out of Miami. I've been using this. I've had it for maybe a couple months now, maybe a month. You can see I've been using it. A little bit of a yellow tint there. And I would say his is definitely a medium oil. It goes into the beard great. Shake it up a little bit. Let's get a little smell. Right off the bat, I get that lemongrass and that peppermint mixed together, and it mixed great. And towards the end, especially when it's in my beard, I can get the tea tree with the, you know how it makes the tea tree makes your beard kind of feel, and it makes you feel refreshed and awesome is what I would call it. But you feel refreshed and clean. That's what I get from, especially when it's in the beard. But I like peppermint scents, and the lemongrass and peppermint is good. And another great quality of this, the lemongrass oils, helps with mosquitoes. Sometimes I'm working outside, especially in South Florida, and this is perfect for it. The grower, top notch right there. And we got all organic ingredients. That's another thumbs up. We got organic sweet almond oil, organic jojoba seed oil, organic argan oil, organic grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil. That's awesome with the lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree. Now, this goes for $18, a little bit higher on the side. But stay tuned because I'm going to tell you how to save some money on this one. And then we got the 1 ounce balm. What I like about this, he tells you it is a medium hold. That's awesome. I wish more companies would do it. And matter of fact, it definitely is a medium hold. I put this in and my beard doesn't go anywhere, especially in the wind. Because you know, if you ever been to South Florida, sometimes the afternoons get windy. Especially this time of year, down in September and August, it gets pretty windy out here. So, for ingredients, we got beeswax, virgin unrefined shea butter, jojoba seed, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, castor oil, 100% pure essential oils, organic and non-GMO. Perfect. Great quality, great products, great ingredients. And also with this, I like this. It's kind of on the whiter side. Doesn't really matter if it's white or yellow. I like it. But also, if you watch my other video, something I like about balms is when I can smell the scent that I want to smell the scent more than I smell the wax and the butters and so on and so forth. And with this, I don't smell wax or butter at all. I smell the lemongrass and the peppermint. And like I said, this is a great hold. Something else that I want you guys to check out and talk to Abraham if you guys are interested in this, because I got this and this thing is tremendous. Look at this little stand right here. Your oils go in here. You can put balms in there if you don't have that many, and it's perfect. Go talk to Abraham and see if you can get one of these. Thank you for staying tuned. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.